So that is what the order calls for. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our artboards and we're going to go ahead and name this order. And unfortunately I'm going to move this off the screen so it's easier for me to do. And we're going to go ahead and start putting together the way the file is named. So it's going to start off with the order number 8233-product1, so 01-V1 for version 1-R0 for revision 0, underscore, this is 48 inches wide by 36 tall, underscore Coro for coroplast, and SCL 1:1, so it's 1:1 scale, S1 for side 1, T1 for tile 1, underscore, and we're just going to copy what the description of the product name is. So that's auction pickup right arrow. And we're just going to go ahead and paste that in there like so, underscore customer name, and we're just going to copy and paste that in there as well. Now what we need to do is we need to export the working file and the proof. So we're going to do a Control-Alt-E to export for screens. Since this is a bigger file, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do 0.5 size on the JPEG proof. And what we need to do is we need to go ahead and make sure that this is going in the correct folder. So there isn't a folder created yet, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is go to CB orders. I'm going to copy the top folder there, which is our template folder, and I'm going to rename it to 8233. So now that folder exists. Now we're going to go to the CB orders on the export 8233. We're going to put it in the working files, select the folder, export the artboard, and now you see that we have our editable PDF and we have our proof as well. So the next step is going to be to upload the proof. So we're just going to go ahead and hit choose file there in CoreBridge, and we'll go back to 8233, open up the working file and put our JPEG in there, hit upload. We now have our proof. So now we need to email out the proof to the customer. So we switch it to awaiting proof approval, hit that little email icon, and then we're going to CC the sales rep. And it says salesperson Jeff Hale, so we're going to go ahead and click Jeff, and we hit send, and that is how we do a basic design here at Halo Inc.